Hello, my friends, followers, listeners, and dear traders. How are you all? Hope all will be fine and doing very awesome. Just now, just now, I sent in public a scalping robot. Look here, guys, all excited. And look here, just today we placed our custom system based on indicators, and this is also available in public group. Look here, all files. Simply robot and indicator free of cost. Just you have to come to my group and download the files and attach. Enjoy your profit. Okay, check the description of this video. I will paste the link of public group. Thank you.